Hello everyone, this is my mother. We came to Apollo Hospital through an emergency case. My mother's heart was in failure condition. It's a very critical situation. It was, and she has to undergo a TAVI surgery, and it was done really well. Dr. Karunakar sir was the doctor, and the team was excellent. They helped us all. In every single stage, right from explaining the surgery, then after post the surgery as well. They showed me on video how the surgery went and everything, and that's how it went. So it was really good, and we are really blessed that the way Apollo Hospital and the team and Dr. Karunakar sir, his entire team, along with that his secretary Lokesh, he's awesome. He's always there, always picking up calls and calling us, following up. So awesome experience after the surgery as well. My mother's condition was not very well. She had to undergo a pacemaker as well. So Dr. Karunakar sir and the entire team stayed back for that entire day, did not see anything in the OPD, stayed back for my mother. So awesome experience. I can't explain. They're just next to God for us.
My name is Aruna. Thank you, Dr. Karunakar sir. Thank you, Apollo Hospital.
Thank you.